Give a woman the world and she will give you a divorce.
Hey, sorry, I didn't see you.
Surprise.
Even if she don't like you, before she rejects you, she needs to arouse you to feel special. She's used to arousing everyone. If you're cold with her, she's gonna beg God to get a reaction out of you. And only reward the behavior if she's getting physical, right? Like, I will never stare at my, you know how people sit, I'll look at my phone, I'll look bored. When she's talking, I'll be like this. And then she gets closer and tries to get flirty, not because she likes me. She probably wants to block me. She wants to do it because she needs a compliment from me before she blocks me. And she won't get it until it's physical. And when it's physical, she's invested into you, so she won't block you because she'll feel like a hoarder herself. You know what I mean? Never make it sexual. Make it so goofy that she feels like ugly Betty talking to you. All right? The more you, bro, I'm telling you this, man, as insecure as it sounds to libs, they want to be knocked off that pedestal.